Rock Rosa on the track.
What's poppin'? Welcome back to the LNJ class.
We are back with another video. In the last activity that was led by me and Miss Loto, we created these Father's Day cards. So we hope that you had a wonderful Father's Day with your lovely fathers or father figures. So we cannot wait to see your Father's Day cards or clips, TikToks, whatever.
During this pandemic, it is really important that you stay safe and healthy. And one way to do that is by staying sanitized. And that's why today we are making hand sanitizer.
Yay!
The materials you would need are a container to mix everything in, 1/3 measuring cup, and something to mix all your materials up.
You will also need essential oil of your choice, aloe vera gel, and alcohol to kill all your germs. And lastly, you will need your funnels to pour in your hand sanitizer into the bottle of your choice.
Rock Rosa on the track.
Thank you all for watching.
Remember to always wash your hands, and the sanitizer are always good when you're on the go. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and turn on your notifications so that you will know when we upload our next video.
And when we premiere the videos, they will be live, so we will be available to answer any questions that you guys have. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shake.
On the camera?
Don't spray it on the camera. So if you haven't already done it, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications to why? So if you haven't already done it, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications to why?